Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I hope you're all well wherever you are and whatever you're up to. I thought I would do a little different style of video this week because we, as in me and the G&G shop, are getting ready to go to the knitting and stitching show at Alexandra Palace next week in London, and I thought I'd just take you on a little trip round what I do to prepare to get ready for the show. It's quite a lot of investment in time and resources and everything when we do the show, because we basically have to run 2 shops at the same time. So while we're at the show, our online shop is still totally open as normal and functioning, and so is the shop in Birmingham as well. So it takes a lot of extra effort to kind of keep everything running for basically a week, because the show's 4 days and then we have to set up for a day, so we're away for quite a long time. It feels like a long time anyway. So yeah, I thought I'd take you on a little trip and you can see what I do to prepare. So at the moment I'm in my little sewing corner in my house and I'm getting ready for all the demonstrations that I'm going to be taking part in when I'm at the show. So each day at the show I've got a demonstration on the Creative Living Theatre stage, and I'm demonstrating techniques for sewing with jersey and some troubleshooting and putting in a neckband. So I've got all the materials and stuff to prepare for that, and then also on our stand we're going to have a special demonstration area on the stand which is in conjunction with Prim. And we've got loads of amazing knickknacks and notions and gadgets and tools and all sorts of stuff. So we're going to be showing everybody how to use all of them on the stand. So this is my very untidy desk situation at the moment. There's my computer. But one of the things we're demonstrating is a loop turner. So I've been sewing lots of little channels that we can turn the right way round. And yeah, there's just various piles of stuff anywhere. That's my overlocker, ironing board. And then over here I've got all of the boxes with things sort of started to be organised. So I've got little samples of different bits and pieces here. This is all the lots of amazing tools and notions that we're going to be showing. These amazing exact shears, they've got micro serration and they're really good for cutting fine fabrics. That box is all of my own demo stuff. So yeah, there's lots of little bits and pieces to get together, and I'm just trying to preempt like every scenario. Well, we need this, and just trying to prepare as much as I can on the sewing machine at home before we go. But I'll take you over to the shop in a bit and I'll show you all the things that are going on there to get ready. So I am now over in the shop and I'm in the little area that is under the stairs. So if you've been into the shop before, like as soon as you walk in, we've got a kind of area just there. And this is where we are sort of lining up all the fabric to get ready to come to the show. And I don't normally like showing mess, but I'll just give you a quick little glimpse of the pile of stuff I've got to take. So yeah, it's looking pretty packed out under here, but I promise it will all look beautiful once it is on the stand at the show. So I'm up in the studio now where we have our sewing workshops, and one of the things that has been super popular at past shows that we've been to is our dressmaking kits, and we've made a whole new range of them. So some of them are piled up behind me, and then this year we've also got special show offer kits which have some amazing tools and notions and haberdashery and stuff in them. So they are all just piled up, very organised in these boxes, ready to put into the van on Wednesday. So yeah, we have literally been planning all of these kits and the stuff for them and ordering it and organising it and sourcing everything for like the past few months. So it's really exciting that it's starting to come together now, everything's ready to go, and yeah, just can't wait to get there now. So it's set up day for the show and I'm in the van and we are about to leave the shop in Birmingham. Luckily we had a big van, so we've managed to pack everything in. So now we just have to get there and set the stand up. We're here. We're here! So we've just about finished unloading now, sporting my attractive high-vis vest. So we just need to get the furniture all built and then start stacking the shelves. Welcome to the Knitting and Stitching Show. So I'm in the pram court at Alexandra Palace. This place is pretty cool, and I'm going to show you where our stand is and take you on a little tour. This is the entrance to the show, and our stand is in the panorama room, which is just on the left. So this is our stand here. We've got a little demo area where we're showing off loads of really cool haberdashery things. We've got loads of patterns, a mirror in case anyone wants to drape any fabric to try it on. Loads of really cool samples, sewn patterns, fabrics. There's so much to see and do here, and loads of people to meet, like lots of old sewing bee friends and new ones too. So I'll show you around.
Hi everybody, I'm here with Lauren.
Hello everyone. Hello. Hey. Hello. So I've met two new friends and they were on the French Sewing Bee. They are more friendly than what they're doing right now. So this is David and this is Olivier.
Hello!
Hello.
So what have you guys got to show us?
Sorry?
What have you got to show us?
We don't speak English at all, you know. We are
Do
French.
another time. Do it twice. Do it twice. It will be better.
So this is David and this is Olivier.
Hello!
Hello.
Okay, so tell me what you guys are selling in the
We
show.
are selling patterns from France because we are French.
Okay.
Yes, we are bringing new sewing pattern brand in UK.
And are they any good?
Yeah, and they're especially for men, only for men, at last. Because men need to be dressed like any kind, someone else like.
We have
I don't speak English
sewing
at all,
patterns for handsome guys.
Yes, patron les BG. BG means beau gosse, means handsome guys.
Handsome guys.
Have a look.
See ya.
Wonderful. So it's day 2 at the Knitting and Stitching Show and we're ready to go for another day. I've got on my Closet Case Patterns ebony top today, which is one of the kits that we've brought with us. We've still got loads of lovely fabric and patterns left, so hopefully it'll be a busy day. So it's the end of day 2 and we've had a really busy day and a very exciting delivery of the new Telly Brunette fabric, so I'm sure they're going to be super popular tomorrow. So it's the end of the show, it just closes in a few minutes and we're going to get ready to pack everything up and take it all back to the shop. Bye stand! That's us all packed up! So we just made it back to Birmingham. We just need to unload the van and then try and get some rest, I think. So it's the week after the show and we've got everything unpacked and all put back together again. Still feel like I need to catch up on some rest and sleep after the busy weekend, but thank you so much to everybody who came to the stand to visit us and say hi, and I hope you've enjoyed this little video kind of showing you all what's involved when we've got to take the shop on the road. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one, and I'll see you soon. Bye!